Hi everyone, hope you are good. In this video you will see about the proximity sensor settings in Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if in Galaxy Z Fold 5, if you want to do the proximity sensor settings or you want to fix it, I will show you how to do it. I will tell you all the steps, you just have to follow them, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch it and learn it.